In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages in Notion if you've reorganized your workspace or a project has changed teams. Moving a page is a quick way to keep everything tidy without recreating content. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. If you prefer the desktop app, the same steps apply, but for clarity, I'll describe it in the browser. Click login and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're working in the right place. Notion can hold multiple workspaces, so confirm you're inside the workspace where the page currently lives, or switch to it using the workspace switcher. Next, find the page you want to move. The fastest way is usually the left sidebar. Expand the relevant sections to locate your page, or use the search bar at the top to quickly jump right to it. Open the page so you can see its contents, which also ensures you're acting on the right one. This is especially helpful if you have pages with similar names. With the page open, look for the three-dot icon, often called the page menu, in the top right corner of the page. Click it to reveal a list of options. Here you'll see the controls that affect the page itself. Choose Move To. This opens a picker that shows your available destinations, including other team spaces, folders, or parent pages within your current workspace. If you have access to multiple workspaces and permission to move content there, those will appear as well. Select the destination for your page. You can scroll through the list or type in the search bar to filter results, which is handy in larger workspaces. When you click the destination, Notion will move the page along with its subpages to that new location. Your content stays intact and links within your workspace will continue to work. If you don't see the workspace or team space you expect, it usually means you don't have permission to move content there. In that case, check with your admin or ensure you're a member of that team space. After the move, take a moment to confirm it landed where you intended by checking the sidebar or the breadcrumb at the top of the page. If you changed your mind, you can repeat the same steps to move it again. And remember, moving is different from duplicating. Your page isn't copied unless you explicitly choose to duplicate. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, practical Notion tips.